But this weekend, they were flocking here during the Christmas break to enjoy some family time outdoors. But videos have been circulating on social media showing overcrowding with families shoulder to shoulder with no bylaw officers in sight. This video captured by a CityNews viewer shows this toboggan hill at Cedarvale Park jam-packed. Families huddled without face masks with no room to social distance. This moment captured on the same day the province-wide lockdown went into effect.
As a frontline worker, how do you feel seeing what you saw?
I feel so disheartened. It's difficult to summarize everything that I've been through in the past, 9 months, but it's exhausting. I'm burnt out, and I know everyone's burnt out, but at the same time, this is when we have to be the most vigilant. Seeing that everyone needs quality of life, but how can we make that happen in our own homes? How can we make that happen in our own bubbles? I think that this is something that the ministry and that the government really needs to figure out.
With all indoor recreational activities shut down, the city has urged residents to get outdoors by launching their Welcome to Yo winter plan. The plan encourages people to exercise outside while observing public health guidelines. This includes tobogganing on 23 hills across the city. But with scenes like this, there are questions surrounding just how high is the transmission of COVID-19 in these types of situations.
I don't think we're aiming for perfect here. I think people do need to have some outlet. And if we're telling people to spend time outdoors instead of indoors, then we need to give them the opportunities to do that. So maybe if the toboggan hills are being really crowded, maybe that's an indication that we need to be providing a larger set of outdoor activities.
Well, experts say it is safer than being indoors. If more people are flocking in massive numbers to outdoor recreational spaces, it is important to remember the basics like wearing a mask when social distancing is not possible and bring your own equipment. Now, we did reach out to the city to see if enforcement officers were at the hill and whether tickets were handed out, but did not receive a response by airtime. Also, with there being less outdoor activities for people to enjoy this year, there is growing calls for ski hills to reopen. There are 2 petitions going around with people urging the province to reconsider rules around ski hills. Ontario is one of the only provinces that banned them under this lockdown. And as we continue to adjust to life under lockdown, the impacts of the pandemic